In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and embed different types of sign-up forms in Constant Contact. This straightforward process will not only help you expand your contact list, but also enhance your website's functionality and engagement. Whether you're creating a form for new subscribers or customers, Constant Contact provides versatile options to fit your needs. First, to get started, you'll need to log into your Constant Contact account. If you don't have one already, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you're all set up, enter your details and get logged in. Once inside, navigate to the Channels option on the menu. When you hover or click on it, you'll see a drop-down where you'll find Sign-up Forms. Head over to that section. Now that you're at the right place, look for the button that says Create Sign-up Form and go ahead and click it. Here comes the exciting part, choosing the type of sign-up form that best fits your needs. Constant Contact offers a few different options. You can select a pop-up form, which will appear directly on your website, catching your visitors' attention as soon as they land on your page. If you want something more subtle but consistently visible, consider choosing an inline form. This type is embedded directly into your web page, remaining part of the content. Lastly, there's the standalone page option. This is essentially a dedicated landing page solely for your sign-up form, perfect for campaigns driven through specific links. Once you've decided on the type, it's time to customize your form. This involves selecting which fields you want to include, modifying the design to match your brand, and personalizing the text to make it compelling for visitors. Remember, the clearer and more engaging your form is, the more likely visitors are to sign up. Now, connecting your form to a specific contact list is crucial. This is how Constant Contact knows where to store and organize the new subscribers. Ensure that you choose the correct list to keep things tidy and efficient. If you opted for a pop-up or inline form, you'll need to embed the form onto your site. After completing your customization, Constant Contact will provide you with HTML embed code. Simply copy this code and then head over to your website's HTML editor. Paste the code exactly where you want the form to appear on your page. For those who chose the standalone page, the process is simpler. You'll get a URL link for your page. You can share this link directly with your audience via emails, social media, or any channel that connects you to your prospects. Once everything looks good and you've double-checked your details, don't forget to save and publish your form. This final step ensures that your sign-up form is live and ready for new subscribers. By following these steps, you're well on your way to growing your audience with professionally crafted sign-up forms using Constant Contact. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.